We'll guide you through how to set and change image quality and format on a Canon DSLR camera. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So we can go and change this. For example, there are different formats. You can go and shoot in a RAW format or a JPEG format. RAW is unprocessed, whereas the JPEG you can go and start using it. And you can also go and change the quality as well. Of course, the higher quality will go and take up more storage space, but it will go and look better. So we're going to guide you through this in this video. So to go and get started, we need to go and open up the menu. So what you can do is go and click menu at the top like so. Now, in some cases, your camera is going to go and be touchscreen. You can try touching it, see if it is. Otherwise, you need to go and use these buttons to the left and right to go and move. So what you want to do is go to this first menu to the far left, and you'll go and see image quality. What we need to do is go and enter this. So you can go and press on the set button or click on it. The highest is going to be over to the left here, as you can see. And you're going to go and see the resolution as well. So you can actually, when you have one of them highlighted at the top here, you'll go and see some different info like the resolution. So in this case, I could go and set it to the highest. If I wanted to go and shoot it in RAW, then what I could do here is I could go and select RAW as well, or you can go and do both. So in this case, I'm just going to go and have it in the highest quality I can here, which is going to be this L. Then we can go and select it, and that's it. If I go and press off menu, I can then see I'm shooting it in the bottom right here. So that's it. It's that simple. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Have a great day. I look forward to helping you again in the future. Goodbye for now.